Friends, hello everyone, and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can quickly and easily delete messages in WhatsApp forever. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let us get down to the topic with you. Please open the WhatsApp app on your device. And let's say if you want to delete any particular messages that you've sent, then tap on any of the messages. Select Delete. And as you can see, right here on the left-hand side, you get these circles like this, where you can tick all the messages that you'd like to delete. Once you've selected all the messages, you can select both your own and the messages with the person you're talking to. Click on Delete. Next is Delete 3 for me. And as you can see, you immediately delete the messages this way. So, the second way you can delete a message without deleting the conversation from the chat list. Click on the name of the person you're chatting with at the top, and then scroll down to the bottom. And there you can find this function called Clear Chat. Click on it. Next. Click Clear Message, and now, as you can see, this chat, this conversation, it's brand new. But at the same time, this chat, it stays here in the list of all the chats. Also, if you'd like to completely get rid of all correspondence with a person, you want to even delete the chat, then you have to swipe from the right-hand side to the left-hand side a little bit. Like this. Then you have to swipe again and delete the chat here. And as you can see, instantly the chat with the person will be deleted. Friends, this is the way you can permanently delete the message from WhatsApp app. I really hope this video helped you, was helpful. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.